What is the derivative of 3? ddx of 3 equal to 0. Let me show you this. Look, you can rewrite this problem. 3 times 1. Instead of 1, you can write this. X to the power 0 means 1. Now, since this 3 is a constant, so this will come before ddx. Then we have here x to the power 0. Now we'll use power rule. ddx x to the power n equal to n x to the power n minus 1. Here n equal to 0. So 3 times 0 means n times x to the power 0 minus 1. If you multiply by 0, all thing will be 0. So our answer is 0.